Hey guys! We're replacing the controller on a TSDZ8 mid-drive motor kit. Let's take a quick look at the controller first. You'll see a few key cables here: speed sensor cable and gear sensor. 8-pin male main connector and main power cable. Important note: when you're buying a new controller, make sure to check the 8-pin connector type. Some versions use a male plug, others use a female plug. Take a look at the back side of the controller. Remove the 3 screws holding the controller in place one by one. Once the cover's off, you'll see 6 connectors inside. Go ahead and disconnect them gently, don't force it. Start by connecting the 6 cables back in the same. Make sure each plug clicks in securely. Then line up the mounting holes and screw the controller back in place. Connect everything up. Power on the display and test the throttle.
The end.